1, go.
As the sandstorm descends upon planet Primus, we see the Red Alliance starting all 3 of their robots on level 1 of their hab. This limits the number of points the Red Alliance can earn by crossing that hab zone line. 9 points of all 3 cross, but it does make it quite a bit easier for those robots to potentially score points by placing hatch panels before the sandstorm clears. It did seem to be a payoff winning strategy for the Red Alliance. They have that early 4-point lead in the teleoperated period. However, on the blue lines, a little bit of initial trouble for Rage Robotics. While driving off the level 2 hab, they did get stuck, but a little bit of creative problem solving, and that robot is back in action and on its wheels, thanks to the use of its manipulator to regain its balance. Red Alliance still with that early lead. Bumblebee out of Israel loading up cargo into the cargo ship midfield. Cadet Robotics are rookies out of Frederick, Maryland, trying to get in the way of Bumblebee. T-minus 85 seconds to go. Red Alliance extending their lead to 8 points. But over on the Blue Alliance, we've got Bobcat Robotics. They're lining up with a hatch panel on the upper level of the Blue Alliance rockets. They're hoping to start changing that story. They've got a securely placed hatch panel on that rocket ship. They're ready to go back for more at T-minus 65. Down when a hatch panel goes. On the Red Alliance, we saw that Orbit Robotics trying to load those hatch panels onto the Red Alliance rocket, but they're getting some defensive maneuvering from their opponents, Cadet Robotics, that causes them to lose control. T-minus 45. Red Alliance still in the lead. They're extending that minute by minute and moment by moment. Now 15 points. We are still seeing defense on the part of Cadet Robotics, but it does look like Bumblebee has the right swerve drive to be able to swerve their way right past that defending robot and still make moves. Throughout all of this, Orbit Robotics has been steadily adding hatch panels and cargo to a Red Alliance rocket. They're just about ready, and they make it with one last cargo loaded by Bumblebee. The Red Alliance has completely loaded one of their rockets and earned a ranking point in the process. Now both alliances trying to get their robots up. They don't have much time. But it looks like in the final second, both Bobcat Robotics for the Blue Alliance and Bumblebee for the Red were both able to get on level 3. Final score of 72-56. The Red Alliance pulls off a perfect match. They earn 2 ranking points from their victory, 1 from their docking, and 1 from fully loading a cargo ship. That means all 3 teams moving up in our rankings.